We're in Joliet, Illinois, celebrating the grand opening of our brand new terminal that opened February the 5th. This new facility is really a prototype of how we see our terminals and how they'll look in the future and the amenities that it will offer our professional drivers. We hope to break ground later this summer and build a facility nearly identical to this in Allentown, Pennsylvania. We're very excited to be here and to dedicate this new facility. It's the first new terminal that we've built since prior to 2000, and it offers all the latest amenities and comforts for our drivers, as well as the associates that work here. This $23 million facility, 64,000 square foot building and shop, sits on 26 acres, and it was built specifically for one group of people, the men and women, our professional drivers, who keep America moving every day.